In my previous videos, I showed you how to make a cowl with the shell and post stitch and a skirt with the shell and post stitch. And today I'm going to show you how to make easy leg warmers using the same stitch, shell and post. So let's get started. I'm working with Red Heart Super Saver yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. I'm going to make these in adult size. I'm going to start with chain 42. To make a chain, all you do is pick up the yarn and pull it through the stitch. So chain 42. Okay, I have chain 42. Slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. Slip stitch to join. Chain 2. Double crochet in each stitch all the way around. I'm working bottom up on these leg warmers. Okay, so double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the second stitch of the chain 2. And that's going to be the bottom. Okay, so now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to double crochet in that same stitch. Chain 1, make 2 more double crochet in that stitch. And so this is the first shell. That chain 2 takes the place of the first double crochet, so that's equivalent to 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. And now I'm going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2. In the next stitch I'm going to make a double crochet. Skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch make a shell, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, skip 2, double crochet in the next stitch. And that's how that looks. So it's a shell, skip 2, double crochet, skip 2, a shell, skip 2, double crochet, work all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last double crochet, and now I'm going to find the second stitch of that first chain 2, and I'm going to slip stitch to join. And now I'm going to slip stitch up to this center shell, so I'll slip stitch into that next stitch and slip stitch there. So now I'm centered in the middle of the shell. I'm going to chain 2. I'm going to make another double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, double crochet, double crochet. So that's a shell in the center of the shell, and the first chain 2 takes the place of the first double crochet. Now I'm going to yarn over to make a double crochet, but I'm going to make a front post double crochet in this next stitch. So from the front, go around the post of the double crochet and then complete the double crochet. Now go to the shell, go to the chain 1 space of the shell, make a shell, 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Okay, yarn around the hook for a next double crochet. From the front, go around the post and complete the double crochet. Okay, so I'm going to work all the way around. I'm going to make a shell in the chain 1 space of the next shell and a front post double crochet in the next double crochet. Okay, I've worked all the way around. There's my last front post double crochet. I'm going to find the second stitch of the chain 2, slip stitch to join. Now every row will be exactly the same. You're going to slip stitch up to the chain 1 space in the shell. Now you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, make another double crochet in the shell, chain 1, and 2 more double crochet in that shell. 1 and 2. And I'm going to make a front post double crochet in the next front post double crochet. So that's a shell in the center of the shell, a front post in the front post. And I'm going to repeat all the way around. And I'm going to continue to do this until I have as many rows as I would like for the height of my leg warmers. So a shell in the shell, and a front post double crochet in the front post double crochet. And that's the stitch of the shell and post, double crochet. And you're going to continue to work as many rows as you like for the length of your leg warmers. And when your leg warmers are finished, this is what they will look like. And if you like, you can add some buttons for decoration. So there you go. There's some easy leg warmers that you can make using the shell and post stitch. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.